Make sure the ponchos are removed before you enter. Thank you. This way, please.
Hotel guests, you are no longer a single cube. Be sure to fill in all available space. If there's room on the floor, there's room for more folks. Fill in all available space. All available space. Fill in all available space. Right over here, right
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening totally. Thank you.
It's like this one has
Please move all the way forward. If there are spaces to your right, please move towards it.
We have to wait to get through the next. So this way, please.
maybe it was we like put like our eyes a little bit. I feel like we
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling and movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Your rooms are nearly ready. Please proceed forward.
if you could stand on the back numbers for me. My friend, you're going to be up here on the front of the line.
Thank you.
Stand here for me. Welcome, friends, to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Please buckle the seatbelt from left to right. Stow all of your bags down at the floor. Nothing may go below the seatbelt except yourself.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special
My friends on row 6, you'll be boarding first. Come on into the top left.
Thank you. Estimados nuestros.
Row 5 to the top right.
Seguridad.
Row 4 to the middle left. One on the outside? All right, my friends, all bags at the floor, please. All bags down at the floor. All bags to the floor, my friends. My friends up in the top row, pull on your yellow tabs for me, please. Pull on those yellow tabs, my friends. Pull on your yellow tabs, my friends. Thank you. My middle row, pull on your yellow tabs, please. Pull on those yellow tabs, my friends. My friends down in the bottom row, pull on your yellow tabs, please. Pull on those yellow tabs, my friends. Everyone raise your hands up, please. Both hands up, elbows up. Both hands up, elbows up. Wonderful. We hope you enjoy your stay.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Oh my god, no!
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as we exit through the elevated doors. We trust you to stay in all of the Tower hotels in a pleasant way. Oh, please, do come back and see us again. Thank you.
I don't know if I'll have any in here, buddy.
They do have plushies at
No, at Disney, we'll go to the store. Ollie, stop. Where are you going?
Hey Live Live crew, thanks so much for checking out this video with us. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps us out tremendously with the algorithms. And if you're not subscribed, please also consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and adventures. Until we see you again in the not so distant future, this is Live Live signing off.